video I'll tell you how you can create Discord account on your laptop or PC. First of all, open your web browser. In my case, I will use Google Chrome. And right here, search Discord. Press enter and go to the first website like this. And at the top right corner, you can see login. Click on login and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see register, tap on register, and here you will need to enter your email address. Now here you will need to type your Discord name and the username must be unique. I can see Mark Tim77 is available, so I will pick that, and right here you will need to enter your password. Create your password. After that, choose your birth date. Once you have entered all the details, tap on this checkbox and tap on create account. And now you will be redirected to this captcha. And right here I can see my account has been created successfully. So now you can easily add your friends from here. You can select add friend. Right here you can enter your friend's username to send a friend request, and also you will need to verify your email. Once you will tap on resend email, your email verification link will be sent on your email address. So that's how you can easily create your Discord account on your PC or laptop. You can use Discord on your web browser, as well as you can also install the application as well. To install the application, simple type download Discord and go to the first website like this, and from here you can easily download the application as well. So that's how you can easily create Discord account for your laptop on PC. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.